What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to set up and connect any DaFit smartwatch to iPhone. In addition to that, I'm also going to be guiding you on how to perform certain tasks like being able to get all of your WhatsApp messages and notifications from any DaFit smartwatch you have to your iPhone, being able to make and receive calls, and even changing the wallpaper from your DaFit smartwatch app on your iPhone. Now first things first, you actually have to come over to your iPhone, and then from the top notification center, make sure you turn on Bluetooth. As you can see, mine is already turned on. And then you also want to make sure you turn on the service location. So go over to the settings of your iPhone, and then from over here, search for location. Click on service location over here, and then also from the top, make sure you turn on the location services or service location of your iPhone. Once this is done, you're good to go. The next thing you want to do is to actually confirm that your smartwatch actually uses the DaFit Smartwatch app. So you can go ahead and scan the QR code on the paperwork that actually comes with the smartwatch, or you can just go over to the list of apps on the smartwatch or to the settings of the smartwatch, and then under the about settings, you should now be able to find the QR code. Go ahead and scan the QR code with the camera app on your phone, and once you open this up, it should actually redirect you to the iOS App Store, where you can actually get the DaFit Smartwatch app into your iPhone. And then from over here, just make sure you download and install the DaFit Smartwatch app into your phone. Now finally, once the app is done downloading and installing, you can go ahead and open it up directly from here by clicking on the open button. And to set up the app, all you just have to do is to give the app all of the permission it needs to work and function properly on your phone. So click on the allow button over here, click on allow, just give it all of the permission it needs, then click on the agree and continue button at the bottom, click on allow. Now to start to look for available DaFit smartwatches it can actually connect to, you should be able to find the name of your DaFit smartwatch from over here. But if you do not find it, you can actually just skip this and do it later by clicking on the device not found, skip. However, if it is able to find the name of your DaFit smartwatch, in my case, it is actually the Firebolt smartwatch over here, you can go ahead and select it by just clicking on this. And over here, it is trying to connect, as you can see from the top. And automatically, both devices are now connected together. Once they are both connected together, you're also going to notice that the date and time on your iPhone is going to be the exact date and time on the smartwatch as well. So you're also going to get this prompt to pair both devices via Bluetooth. Just go ahead and click on pair, and then click on next. Proceed to enter your personal information, but then also click on allow for it to be able to send notifications to your DaFit smartwatch. Now go ahead and fill in all of this information, then click on the save button at the bottom over here. And just like so, we have now successfully connected our DaFit smartwatch over here to our iPhone using the DaFit Smartwatch app. Now for you to be able to perform other interesting features and functions, you can actually just go over to the devices tab at the bottom over here, select that, and then from over here you can actually change your watch face. So I can actually select this and it will also change, also select this and it will also change as well. If you want to set a custom wallpaper, you can actually just click on the edit button over here, click on edit, and then from over here you can actually just set a custom wallpaper by simply just selecting any of the options over here, or you can actually just choose from your gallery. And this is actually going to work pretty well for you. If you also want to be able to receive all of your social media notifications and messages, just go over to the notification settings over here and then toggle on any of these options for any of the social media you want to be able to send notifications and messages from your iPhone to your DaFit smartwatch. Once both devices are connected, you should also be able to make and receive calls from your DaFit smartwatch to your iPhone, and it is going to work perfectly well. And then finally, there is the option to find your DaFit smartwatch whenever you misplace it. So once you click on the find button over here, your DaFit smartwatch will start to make a noise, enabling you to be able to find it wherever you misplace it. And that is basically all on how to set up and connect any DaFit smartwatch to your iPhone. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.